Okay, are you ready for a second round?
Yes, the second round is up.
Okay, just like the first one ha.
Yeah.
Okay, I will count to 15 and there's chance para magtago kayo. Yung una ko makikita, siya yung talo.
Yes, yes.
Okay, ano masasabi mo?
Sure, but yeah.
Okay, ready? Galing magtago ah. Okay. Wait lang. Okay. So this is the last one na lang na pwede kayo mag-hide. My goodness. Ang galing na magtago ng mga bata na to. Hi! Yuan! I got you! Okay, downstairs. Ako hindi ako pwede magtago. Ang laki ko eh.
Yes, you too. Look on the hard at the back of the door. You're still on my face, but yeah,
Ay, liga na rito. Bilis. Yan na, Yuan.
it's like
Okay.
let's see.